That was broken.
Time now is
11 o'clock. This is for your 11 o'clock, 11:03.
Northern service from Leeds.
Northern service from Leeds. And possibly, hopefully not, because I want to get a better shot of them from the other side. This could be for the early 11:09, 034 Quebec. Colas Rail Freight service from Barnet B2 Nottingham Eastcroft. Something's got to be wrong with the dampening on these barriers. These barriers are nearly on the floor. They're so light, you can need to twist it with one finger. Here we go, got 158. Fortunately, we've not got the pace, one of the pacers which were booked on this service today. One 158909.
$58909.
58909 from Leeds. In the platform. Up they go. Thank you for watching Lincoln Central. We'll see you next time. We'll see you in the next video.